Do you want to have a Photon Solana tutorial and how to use it? Then this video is the right video for you because I will show you how to do this in just a few steps. So in order to do that, just head over right here to Photon Solana. You can search it on your Google and you can head over and see it from there. Now from there, you can see a lot of things like for example, this wallet, and you can also turn on and turn off the buy option right here. Now, in order to use this, what we can do is we can head over and then just go in here to the actual home page. You can click on any pair info from in there. And once you have clicked on them, you can head over and then try to exchange them to certain Solana. So for example, right here, you can exchange it in 0.25 Solana. And you can see in here how many it has in store for you. So for example, if you choose this one option right here, you can exchange this particular cheesecake into this one Solana. Click onto this buy option right here in order to buy it. First things first, you need to have or connect your wallet first in order to do this.